Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today I'm going to get this furnace pulled out of the box, set in place. I'm going to get one of these plenums put together and set on top of it. I'm going to start calculating where all of my ductwork is going to go. And then I'm going to run to Lowe's. I need to get gas line. The old furnace was gravity, so it never had electricity run to it. So I'm going to get something to run from there with a breaker up and over, bring electric over here. And we're going to get busy with that now. Alright folks, so with minimal bloodshed, I have the plenum put together. I'm going to have to square it up. It has to come back off because I got to cut the holes in it. So I'm going to go run to Lowe's. I'm going to get those flanges, the beginner flanges to hook in for elbows and such. And I'm going to go get my electrical conduit. I'm going to get some gas line because, like I said, I'm going to switch out this gas line, this gas valve. It's old. So from there, I'm going to switch it to 1/2 inch, quarter turn compliance, and be back at you in a flash. Alright folks, so my plenum's built. I cut in 6 trunks. I'm going to have this run going up over the I-beam across here, and it's going to hook up right here to the kitchen. The exhaust is hooked up. I'm going to have this one and this one go up into this bay, go over the wall. Let me take you on the other side. Over the wall. One of them will drop down and go up into this bedroom right here. One will continue straight and go into the bathroom. I have these 3. One of them, all 3 of them are going to head across this ceiling right here. One's going to dip right here for the second floor, the second bedroom, and the living room. I have a cold air return coming tomorrow. I gotta go pick it up at the supply house. I have metal panning right here, 2 sheets 32 inches by 24, and I'm gonna cap off. So I'm gonna have to cut this square right here, and the rest will be capped off and hooked to the side with a filter slot. I brought stuff to do the electric, but the electric box that I picked up at Lowe's only had 3/4 inch holes, and I got 1/2 inch connector things, so I gotta pick up a different box that has 1/2 inch holes in it. I got a 20 amp breaker, switch for the side of the furnace, and then duct work. I'm gonna start running duct. I need to get some wire to hold my, looks like there was some here at one time. I'm gonna get some wire and hold my duct work up. The gas line, like I probably already had said once today, I got this, a new shut-off valve, and I'm going to shut the main off over there, but she was cooking here today. But as soon as I got here, she started cooking, so I'll do that tomorrow. I'm not getting into it now, it's almost 5 o'clock. So, this is part 2. Stay tuned for part 3, where I continue on with this. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe. Watch another video. Hit the like button. Choo-choo.